is coming in like an hour, and we are going to the Bay Area. The Bay Area. I'm not sure what city in the Bay Area we are going to be staying in, because we're going to spend a night, and on our way there we also going to visit the Napa city. I really love Napa city, so yeah. Also want to go to Bodega Bay. I already took a shower. I feel so refreshed and good. So now I'm just gonna do all of my like skincare, and then yeah, and I'm taking you guys along with me for this little trip. A small trip for the small trip. So we are in the Bay Area. We're staying at the hotel, and I took a shower, and I have this nice robe, bathrobe on. There was only one robe, which is weird because usually there are two bathrobes. So I am going to read a book. I have downloaded a new book on my Kindle, then sleep. We don't have any really plans for tomorrow, but we'll just see. we came to this beautiful blue water lounge restaurant here in Bodega Bay, and we have a pretty nice ocean view that you guys probably have already seen, and it's really gorgeous here. But the sun is like so hot. It's like so hot sitting here, although usually it's not so hot here. It's usually very windy and cold, but today is really good. I mean, even hot. We have ordered 2 clam chowder bowls, and I'm thinking also to order shrimp tacos. Let's try it. Really good. Got myself 2 pastries that they had. I like this one more. This one is like a blueberry spoon, quite sweet. This one is quite sweet, so it's not like too much. Oh, taste. Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday and my mom's birthday is today, and I need to go buy her a present. I know what I'm gonna buy, so it shouldn't be hard. She loves this perfume that I have. She's really obsessed with it, so I'm just gonna go to Sephora or like a mall and buy her perfume and maybe something else. Also, I have quite a few plans for today. One of them which is like go and buy my mom a present, but I'm also meeting with my boyfriend today and maybe we'll do something. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe we'll go to a coffee shop. To the gym. Let's go.